If you're looking for a way to preserve more battery on a Realme Note 60, first let's start with everything that is running in the background of your device and it consumes a lot of battery. And first is the apps that are running in the background. You can open them in the buttons mode by clicking on the three lines like this. Then you can see all of the apps that are running in the background and keep consuming your battery. And in this case, we're gonna clear them all with this button. And then now our phone just closed all of the apps and it should automatically consume less battery. Next thing we're gonna check is in the notifications panel. Here are the notifications. You can check that all of the notifications that are coming to your phone, but also you will see all of the apps, for example, a timer. So if you have a timer set up, I've seen cases where somebody got a timer and it went for like 1000 seconds or minutes or so, and it consumes really lots of battery. So be sure to close anything unwanted right here. If you have a timer set, then be sure to close it as well. Now let's move to our quick access. So here there are the grayed out buttons as well as the blue buttons. The blue buttons are the ones that are turned on, and the grayed out buttons are the apps or services that are turned off. So we want to keep it as grayed out as possible if we want to preserve the battery in most of the cases. So if you disable the Wi-Fi, for example, it should consume less battery. The same goes with Bluetooth, mobile data. Location also should be disabled if you want to preserve your battery, and etc. The only exceptions are super power saving and battery saving. If they are enabled, they will actually give you more battery time as they manage the processes in the background to consume less battery. So now we have all of that covered. We can move to our settings and access our battery settings, and it should be somewhere around here. Then we have the battery saver or ultra saving mode. You can also see battery percentage right here on the top, and it will tell you on how much percentage you have left. So that's a fun thing. Okay, now if you're at, for example, 5% of a battery and you know you won't be able to charge your phone for another hour, you can enable ultra saving mode, and your phone will change entirely. As you can see, we don't have our home screen and anything else. Don't worry, you can leave this mode easily, but it will save you huge amount of battery. So I recommend to enable that if you're in some crazy situations. Instead, if you have let's say 20% battery and you won't be charging your phone for another 2 hours, you can go just for a battery saver mode. Enable it like that, and that way your phone will change a few settings so that it won't consume as much battery at any processes. As an example, it changes to the dark mode and your phone doesn't need to light up, and it saves a lot of battery. So that would be all of the tips you can do to increase your battery lifetime on this device.